Hi everyone, I'm Ed Tapper back from Mr. C's Auto Mart. So nice the winter's over. And I can take better videos of the cars. This is a new arrival, a magnetic rate 2015 Ford Escape SC with a 1.6 liter turbo engine, very good on gas. 32 miles. On the highway. It's an SE with the convenience package that gives you the nicer wheels, the 5-spoke aluminum wheels. It's got really nice 17-inch tires that are literally new. You've got the chrome badging, aluminum surround window trim, roof rails. It does have a power lift gate. It is the EcoBoost turbo engine. It's got a power lift gate. It's got a full spare tire. Premium cloth seats that are two-tone with lighter gray inserts. These seats fold down to extend your cargo space as such. These are very popular cars, so needless to say, this one had only 92,000 miles. It's got deep tinted rear glass, blind spot mirrors. It does have remote start. That's another part of the convenience package. Power driver's seat. Front wheel drive. It's got the keypad entry. Power seat with power lumbar. Car is running here, so you see the mileage is 96,000. The price is $10,998. It does have Bluetooth, trip computer, and cruise on the steering column. Your radio is the Sync radio that's voice activated with AM, FM, CD, XM, USB ports, and a rear backup camera with lane guidance, automatic climate control. If you're at all interested, call me at 708-473-2014 or visit the website mrcsautomart.com. Thanks.